main system. Activating combat mode.
Let's get started with Raven. Astrocrone's pilot, Callsign King, has an 89.6% mission success rate. His reputation for finesse is such that he's advertised as the ideal mercenary. Umbrox is piloted by Chartreuse, an aggressive bulldozer with unrivaled firepower. Those who've seen my work call her an unstoppable force. Intercept 2 targets.
There's our mark. Go take care of the objective, King. I'll clip this one's wings.
Not alone. This is a branch mission. I'll support you.
This isn't right. You're just a Gen 4. You belong in a museum, not AC. You die!
Chartreuse! Withdraw! Abandon your AC!
AC Umbrox destroyed.
This is more of a challenge than I'd anticipated. I haven't seen anything like this since...
Wait. Give him another AC.
You're strong. Worthy of your name.
AC Astrocrown destroyed.
Thank you, King. We've lost both of them.
1 AC left, Raven.
Augmented Human C4621. We're not here to take back the Raven name. However, we will see if you can do it justice. Our friends have been defeated. Be careful, Raven. Yes, Raven, I feel it too. This mercenary has potential. A Raven is a symbol of resolve. Willing to choose what one fights for.
Stay focused, Raven.
Raven, we can still... All right. We'll watch this one. See where they go on a Raven's wings.
All enemy ACs destroyed. Mission accomplished.